welcome to my channel. Today once again guys, I'm going to be showing you a quick and simple recipe of how to make your mashed potato. I have boiled my potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes and I've placed some heavy cream, some onion powder and garlic powder, and then I'm going to be adding some mayonnaise to the mixture, and then we're going to combine that to make sure that all the spices get incorporated with the potato. And I'm adding some Old Bay as well. If you can add some salt and white pepper if you'd like, and then you can use your potato masher or the fork like I'm using there, and then you can use the hand mixer to give it that creamy flavor. I thank you so much for watching our channel. We truly appreciate it and would need your encouragement, so please subscribe and turn on that notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And if there is something you'd like me to show you how to make, just leave it in the comment as well and let us know how the recipe is turning out for you. So there you see, I am continuing to use my fork to get it all crushed as best as possible, and now I'm going to be using my hand mixer to get it fluffy and smooth. You can add butter if you'd like as well, to make it even more creamier, and you can add some bacon bits, some cheese, whatever you would like that goes well with the potato. You can add, I'm going to be using my ice cream scoop just to make it into that nice look, and serve it with some chicken wings and green banana. So there you see how fluffy it is. As I said, this is going to be a quick and simple recipe, so you can do this within a half an hour if so much. And then now I'm going to be showing you how smooth it is. I thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.